Hey guys, welcome back you all. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about an important book of English literature and also of Renaissance period. Yes, we are talking about Utopia, a book written by Thomas More. And in this video we are going to discuss key facts about this particular book, Utopia, and also about थॉमस मोर. यस फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन जो की फैक्ट्स हैं, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं इस बुक से रिलेटेड जो कि मैं इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगी आप सभी से. एंड ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स, I am uploading back to back some important videos of English literature, some important topics of English literature. If you have any kind of suggestion, if you want any kind of topic, प्लीज़ आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में आप मुझे उसको सजेस्ट कर सकते हो. यस, मैं उस वीडियो को उस टॉपिक को लेके आऊँ. एंड यस फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट एनी डिले, let's move on to the topic of the day, Utopia, a book by Thomas More, and we will discuss key facts about this important book of the Renaissance time. Friends, let's get started with the first fact of the video about the workbook of Utopia. That is, Utopia is a work of fiction and socio-political satire by Thomas More, who was born in 1478 and died in 1535, written in Latin and published in 1516. Yes, friends, this book, Utopia by Thomas More, is a fictional work and it was a kind of social and political satire of the time of Elizabethan period or Elizabethan duration, and written by Thomas More. And Thomas More was born in 1478 and died in 1535. And this book was originally written in Latin language, and the first time it was published in the year 1516. 1516 में publish हुई ये book Latin में लिखी गई है. And ये बुक जो है वो एलिजाबेथन पीरियड के टाइम के सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल सटायर को रिवील करती है, डिपिक्ट करती है. व्हाट वाज द सिचुएशन ऑफ social condition and political condition at the time of Renaissance that was described in this fictional work or work in which an imaginary story is told by Thomas More. Next point we have, this was the book that explored the notion of a perfect and imaginary society. Yes friends, this book is about a place that was perfect in its nature. थॉमस मूर हैज़ डिपिक्टेड अ प्लेस दैट इज कॉल्ड यूटोपिया. यूटोपिया के बारे में उन्होंने बताया है दैट वाज द परफेक्ट प्लेस टू लिव. जो परफेक्ट प्लेस है, देयर इज नो काइंड ऑफ करप्शन, देयर इज नथिंग लो एंड हाई, देयर इज नो काइंड ऑफ society divergence. This was the place depicted, a perfect place. The idea of a perfect place was described by the by the writer Thomas More in this book Utopia. Next we have, he wrote Utopia, a book that denounces European societies blinded by positions and riches and supported the ideal of an egalitarian communist state. Yes friends, इस book में यूटोपिया जो लिखी गई है, this book is about the European societies. तो जो कि they have a position, they kind of a position, they have a money, they have status, and they are rich, and this thing has divided society. There is a kind of gap in society between upper and lower classes. जो upper and lower classes के बीच एक gap है, एक खाई है, वो ये book उसके बारे में बताती है. what was the real society of the European time, of the European at the time of Renaissance. And also ये support करती है the ideology of an egalitarian communist. Egalitarian communist उसको बोलते हैं, they where there is a people, there is no kind of diversion, no diversity, no differentiation in society. Everyone is equal and everyone has a equal rights and equal opportunities. जहाँ पे egalitarian communist उनको बोलते हैं समुदाय, उनको बोलते हैं egalitarian समुदाय, जहाँ पे सभी लोग एक बराबर हों, सभी लोग को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हों, उनके रूल्स, उनके लिए सभी के लिए रूल्स इक्वल हों, देयर इज़ नो डिफरेंशिएशन इन सोसाइटी. दिस बुक as the ideology is supporting the ideology of egalitarian communist state, the state where no one is low or high, everyone is equal in rule, in opportunities, in society. Next we have, this book is a framed narrative primarily depicting a fictional island society and its religious, social, and political custom. Yes, friend, this book is a fictional work, and it was talking about a fictional island, that is यूटोपिया. एंड वो उस यूटोपिया के रिलीजन माइंडसेट, सोशल माइंडसेट एंड पॉलिटिकल कस्टम्स को ये बुक डिपिक्ट करती है, ये बुक नरेट करती है इन स्टाइल. Next we have the title De Optimo Republicae Stave Dicu Nova Insula Utopia. This is the title, original title of the book, which was in Latin language and literally translate of a republic best state and of a new island utopia. जिसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन है of a republic's best state and of the new island utopia. And this was the optimo republica state dicu nova insula utopia. This is the Latin name of the book or title of the book Utopia. Next we have, it was translated into English by Ralph Robinson and first published in English in 1551. Yes, friends, this book was translated into English after the death of थॉमस मोर एंड दिस वाज ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू इंग्लिश इन 1551. 1551 में ये ट्रांसलेट हुई है एंड इट वाज फर्स्ट पब्लिश इन 1516 जो कि लैटिन लैंग्वेज में पब्लिश हुई है. और इसको रैल्फ रॉबिन्सन ने इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट किया है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट किया है, जो कि 1551 में ट्रांसलेट हुई है. मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस भी इससे पुटअप होते हैं एग्जाम में, व्हेन थॉमस मोर्स यूटोपिया वाज ट्रांसलेटेड into English language. Next, moving on to the next fact of the Utopia we have. And next we have, the book is written in two parts. The first book was Dialogue of Council, and the book second was titled as The Discourse on Utopia. Yes, friends, this book was divided into two parts. The first, the book one has the title Dialogue on Council, and the second one was Discourse on Utopia. Next we have, Utopia is a derived from the Greek prefix ou, meaning not, a top and topos, place, with the suffix ia. Hence, the name literally means nowhere, emphasizing its fictionality. Yes, friend, this utopia was derived from the Greek word that was no, not any place. The meaning of this utopia in Greek language, that is no place. So nowhere, no means kahin bhi, means the place, the ideology which was talked about in this book, that was nowhere. And it was emphasizing that it was a kind of fictional place, it was a kind of imaginary place that writer is depicting, describing in this particular book. Next we have, in English, Utopia is pronounced exactly as Utopia. The later word in Greek, Utopia, meaning good place, containing prefix eu means good. जो इसका prefix है eu, that is meaning good, and topia means place. That's why in English translation it was translated, or it was pronounced as Utopia, and with the good place, the place that was good in itself, but that was nowhere, कहीं भी वो, that was a fictional or imaginary place. Next, we have important fact about the book. The book Utopia comprises two parts. In what in part one, the protagonist, who was Hethlode, describes his voyaging with the explorer Amerigo Vespucci. This was the first part. The protagonist was the Hethlode. Hethlode was describing his अपनी यात्रा के विषय में वो वर्णन कर रहा है. एक्सप्लोरर अमेरिको के साथ में उसने जो एक्सप्लोर किया है, जो वॉइसिंग की है, यात्रा की है, समुद्री यात्रा की है, ही दैट इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट protagonist is describing about that things. In part 2, हेथलोडे describes the country of यूटोपिया, और वो जो दूसरे पार्ट सेकेंड में विच इज़ अबाउट द डिस्कोर्स ऑन यूटोपिया, जो डिस्कोर्स ऑन यूटोपिया के बारे में है, वो यहाँ पे उसके विषय में बात कर रहा है सेकेंड पार्ट में. नेक्स्ट वी हैव the important characters in this book are, they are the writer himself, Thomas More, Peter Giles, writer's friend. Peter Giles was another character in this book. He was the friend of a writer. Raphael Hathloday, a Portuguese traveler. Yes, friends, he was the protagonist of this play and of this book. And yes, this book was about the voyaging journey of the voyaging and with the explorer Americo uh, of Raphael Haidlode, and also he was talking about a country of utopia, which is an imaginary place. And next we have the last one fact about this book we have here. Utopia narrates the conversation between Moore and a sailor, Raphael Hathloday. His surname signifies peddler of nonsense. Yes, friends. Hathloday, the meaning itself is a peddler of nonsense. Sometimes question is also asked, what was the meaning, what the surname of the protagonist of the utopia was signifies, then the answer would be peddler of nonsense. So this basically this book Utopia, a fictional work of Thomas More, is all about the conversation between the characters Thomas More and a sailor who was the protagonist of this play, of this book, sorry, Raphael Haithloday. And this book has a describing about a place where there is no kind of corruption, there is no diversion of society, differentiation of society, everyone is equal. And that is due to the condition writer has faced or writer has came through the situation of the renaissance time. And that's why he had written a kind of book in which everyone is equal and everyone has a social equality in social conditions, in political condition, and also in religious condition. That's why this book was about an imaginary island that was Utopia. So, friends, this was all we had discussed important facts related to the book Utopia by Thomas More in this particular video. And later on, we will also discuss about the summary, what the book is all about, Utopia, what was the story of the Utopia. We will discuss that in details in our coming videos. Please, friends, stay connected with English Zone because back to back, I am going through the important topics of English literature, and I'm uploading important topics of English literature that are very important for exam point of view. And please, if you have any kind of suggestion and any kind of suggestion regarding the videos and regarding the topics, you want any new topic, any kind of topic which you want to prepare, please message me, or you can also comment me in the comment section. And also you can join me in WhatsApp and on Telegram because there is a quiz I am organizing every day at 4 p.m. evening on Telegram. You can join me there, and you will get the number in the description, in my description box also, and also in the cover page of this video. Till then, keep connecting with English Zone. Thank you very much for watching this.